I'm car accident attorney Neil Schaus. I represent victims of accidents caused by defective guardrails. Guardrails are barriers that are intended to keep vehicles from going off the road or crossing over onto the median. They are intended to save lives, but there is an epidemic in the United States of poorly designed or installed guardrails actually costing lives. In many cases, guardrails have collapsed on impact and done nothing to keep the vehicle from careening off the road. And in some cases, guardrails have actually sliced into a car upon impact and stabbed the motorist or severed off limbs. One guardrail type in particular was found to be very dangerous. That's the ET Plus guardrail manufactured by the Texas-based Trinity Corporation. A study found that the ET Plus was up to 4 times more likely to produce a highway fatality than comparable brands. If you or a loved one is the victim of a car crash caused by faulty guardrails, we invite you to call us here at Schaus Law Group.